basic algebraic formulas which we are using in class 8th and as well as class 9th also we will use that one. What is the basic algebraic formulas? Here we are using in exercise 6.1, and first I will explain that what is the formula, then how to use that formula in a question. Let's first formalize that one. The first formula, a plus b whole square. According to formula, that is a square plus 2 multiplied by first element and second element 2ab plus b square. That is the formula result, not proof of the formula. If you want to prove, then a plus b into a plus b you have to multiply, then you will get this result. That is the first formula. The second formula is that just changing their sign, a minus b whole square, that formula is equal to a square minus 2ab and plus b square. And the third formula, that is also very important formula. These formulas are using from grade 8 to grade 10, 11. Okay. So these are the basic formulas. So the third formula is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Then the result is equal to a square minus b square. Mean two terms are multiplying each other in such a way, just there is a difference of their sign, then the square of first and square of second element you will take, and that is the result is the same. Now, how to use these formulas in exercise 6.1 or in whole numbers, how to use? I will explain for one example. Like there is number is 20. The number is 20. If the left hand side, according to formula 20 square, when you will take 20 square according to formula 20 multiplied by 20, then we will get the result 400. Correct? That is the left hand side, the formula we solve. If we will solve in the right hand side form, like how to solve in the right hand side form or the left hand side, that is single digit, but to shift in 2 digits. Now it's up to you. Make 2 digits any, like whose sum is equal to 20. I will give you example. It's also possible 15 plus 5 20, 10 plus 10 20, or 18 plus 2 20, any two numbers whose sum is equal to 20. So what are the two numbers? We consider that one. For example, we consider that one two numbers that whose sum is equal to 20. To explain that, 10 plus 10. Right? 10 plus 10 I am taking like that. So I am writing the formula first, then I will use the formula a plus b whole square according to formula a square plus 2ab, a square plus 2ab plus b square. This question is written at this time in the left hand side of the formula, and we have to write in the right hand side of the formula, and we will get the result same 400, then we are right. If the result is not 400, means that there is some mistake. So a square means square of the first element plus 2 into first element into second element, b square means square of second element. What is the first element? First element here is equal to 10. So 10 write in the first two brackets, because a into 2ab is okay. Second element you will also write in the second two brackets, and then start to solve. 100 plus 10 into 10, 100 plus into 2, 200, 10 square is equal to 100. Add all them, then what you will get the result? 100 plus 200 plus 100, 100 not 10, 400. Same result we will get. As I told you before, that you have to solve, nothing compulsory that you will write 10 plus 10. You can also write like that one, 15 plus 5. 15 plus 5 is also 20. If we will solve in such a way, then we will get the result 400 or not. Let's check. According to formula, square of first element 2 into first element into second element plus square of second element, according to formula. So according to formula, if we are solving like that, so 15, the first number, you have to place the first two brackets, 15 and here 2a 15. Second number, put in the second two bracket, and after that simplify. 15 square 225. 15 twos are 30. 30 into 5 150. Simple way, 0 is same, and 3 5s are 15. Right? Plus square of 5 25. Start to add. 150 plus 25, 175. 175 plus 225. Then you will get the result 400. Same or not? So this is the use of the first formula by solving 20. So same question, you have to solve any other number to make the formula. I will give you that one the chance of like 20 make the factors of as assignment. 20 you make in such a pair like 12 plus 8. 12 plus 8, solve in this formula and get the result 400 or not, right? So when you will solve, already you have solved. Now we have to use the same question by using second formula. By using second formula means here we solve with the help of first formula, we get this result. And the same question we can able to solve by using the second formula. It is same. Just we solved this question by using the first formula. Now we solve the same question by using the second formula. So what is the second formula? Second formula is a minus b whole square. It means that we have to use the formula of difference. Difference in such a way, find the two numbers whose subtraction result, when we will subtract, the result is 20. So many ways. For example, 30 minus 10, 20, correct. 25 minus 5, 20, correct. Same like 22 minus 2. Any two numbers you have to find out. Then when subtract, then you will get the result 20. But try to make the simple number like 20, 25, 30. So it's easy to calculate. To use this formula, I want to write 20 in such a way that is a square. So I wrote square, same. But I want to use the formula of the negative. That's why I use a sign of negative between them. And I am taking 30 minus 10. 30 minus 10, what is the result? 20? Same? Good. So first I write the formula, then after that change into right hand side. A minus b whole square, which is equal to a square minus 2ab and plus b square. When the negative formula use, just change the sign with multiplying by 2ab. First and the last sign will be positive. Center sign change it. जो 2 से multiply है उस sign को change करना, बाकी same रहेगा. So according to formula, we will use the bracket like that. First element minus 2 into first element product second element and square of second element. That is 30 minus 10. This is the formula, so that's why I will close in the box. In the first two bracket, write the first element, because here A and here A. So what is the first element? I am forgetting to write the square here. Okay. What is the first element? 30. So write here 30 and 30. In the second two brackets, put the second element. So what is the second element? 10. Good. 10 and 10. So 30 square. What is the 30 square? 900. Okay. 2 0 same and 2 3s are 6. Shortcut rule of the multiplication. 10 square 100. Now we have to start to solve. The positive sign, these two numbers having the positive sign, you have to first add then subtract, also okay. Or 900 minus 600, what you will get the result? 900 minus 600, 9 minus 6, 300 plus 100, this one. Is the result same like the previous plus formula? Because that result is also 400. Here the same question we have to use to solve the first formula and also solve the second formula. You want to try? Okay. So how you want to try? I will give the number like simple 20. Sum of 20. You can also use that 25 minus 5 whole square. You have to solve the same question by using this formula and get the result 400 or any other number. Okay, start. Now my dear student, that is question number 1. According to statement, solve these questions with the help of formulas. So we will use first two formulas to solve these questions. Therefore, and it will become the 8th part. According to formula, first of all, we need the square. We need square of this, square of this, square of this. If I want to use the first formula, then I will make the pair of the first formula for you. Then after that, second formula. Then simplify, you solve like I explained before. Like 53 plus two numbers, we have to find out whose sum is equal to 53. Square of this one, I think 50 plus 353. Use the formula first and solve it. 77. Also same. 70 plus 7 plus formula for number 1. You can use that one as I explained before now. 509. 500 and plus 9. Then 1006. Use the formula of the first and solve. Very simple. Then for the second one, negative formula. Negative formula is also possible to apply it here, but first formula you have to apply. In the first question you have to apply this formula. In the second question you will apply the negative formula. If the positive formula you will apply, then how to solve the question? So I will explain one part for you. The remaining that you have to do like that one. First we will write the formula. So here the square plus 2 into first element into second element, and here plus square of second element. What is the first element? In the first two brackets fill 50, 50, 3 and 3. 2 zeros, square of 5, 25. Because square, that's why you will write square. Plus 0 same, 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 3 square 9. Add them and get the result. So when you will add, but you will get the result. I am writing result here also. The first digit 9 plus 0 plus 0, 9. Second digit 0 plus 0, again 0. Third, 3 plus 5, 8. And fourth digit is only 2. That is your answer. I solved first question for you in the positive formula. So you have to solve these questions with the help of positive formula and get the result. And hope all of you clear. Now I will explain that question number 2 with the help of second formula, then we will go on the third formula. My dear students, now this is question number 2. Question number 2 we will solve with the help of second formula. We will solve with the help of second formula. With the help of second formula, we have to find the two numbers. When we will subtract, then we will get the answer 57. Try your best to make the simple number that it is easy to solve in the calculation. Right? If make the factors of like that 60 minus 3 whole square. We can easily simplify and solve. And I am also trying to solve it here. First you will write the formula. According to formula of this one, square of first element minus 2 first element into second and plus square of second element. What is the first element here? 60. In the first two brackets, write 60. Second element 3, write in the second two brackets 3. Simple. And then simplify. 2 0 6 6 are 36. This 0 will be same. 6 2s are 12. 12 3s are 36. Plus 3 3s are 9. First we will subtract, then after that add 9, then we will get the result. Then we will subtract 0 minus 0, 0, second element 0 and here 6, 10, 10 minus 6, 4. We have taken carry, so remaining 5, 5 minus 3, 2, and 5 minus 3, last digit is 3, okay, and plus 9. This one, when you add, then what we will get the result, just 3240, then plus 9, 3249. That is our answer. If we want to check that is our answer is correct or wrong, we will take direct 57 square. 57 into 57, then we will get 3249. It means that our result is absolutely right. We solved this question with the help of negative formula. The remaining question you have to solve. I am giving you the hint of that one, that how to make the factors. Like this question, we can make factors like that. This portion is separate. 95, you can write 100 minus 5. 95. Then solve same method. 598. How to make? 600 minus 2. Right? 1997.